Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn on call recording on your iPhone. So I demonstrate you both how we can turn it on and how to record it. So I demonstrate you that. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the apps, tap on it. Now from here, you can either go like this, you can scroll it down, or what you need to do is you just need to go over here on the search. Now you need to search here for phone app. You can just search here for the phone app, then you just need to tap on the phone. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down, and over here as you can see audio call recording, so you have to tap on this one. And right now what you need to do is you just need to turn it on, and right now as you can see the audio call recording is being started, or you enable it. Now what you need to do is you have to get into the other number. So let me go over here. Now I'll just make a call to my other number over here. Now as you can see on my other phone, I have already attended the call, and what you need to do is if I wanted to record it, this is what you have to do. So what you need to do is I just need to go over here, tap on the three dot, and there is an option called call recording. You have to tap on it, and right now when it starts recording, the opposite person will be getting a kind of a message like that. And as you can see right now the call is recording, and right now if you wanted to end the call recording and still if you wanted to speak, you don't have to cut the phone. All you have to do is you just need to go over here the circular, you can see, you just need to tap on that, so the call recording is turned off. Now either you wanted to turn it or you can cut the phone, and right now all the audios of which you save it, like all the audio recording, will be over here in the notes. If you go over here, as you can see, this is called with personal A. If I tap on it right now, as you can see, this is the sound. So you'll be getting all these kind of things over here. So that is how we can watch it, and you can hear it, and you can do all these kind of things. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.